Question 1. Which of the following is a point of intersection between the line with the equation y is equal to 3x plus 2 and the parabola with this equation? So 4x squared minus 9x plus 11 is 3x plus 2. So 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 is 0, right? So 2x whole square plus 3 squared minus 2 into 2x into 3 is 0. So that's 2x minus 3, the whole square is 0. So x is 3 by 2, which is 1.5. So the option with x 1.5 is D. Tony's salary was 4,600. It increased by 10% in the first year and decreased by 3% in the second year. What will be the salary of Tony at the end of the second year? So first year, it was increase of 10%. So that's 4,600 into 1.1. And second year, it was a decrease of 3%. So that's the first year salary multiplied by 0.97, right? So let's plug that in. 4,600 into 4,600 into 1.1 into 0.97. That's 4908.2. So option C. The price of 3 squash and 2 zucchini is 10 Egyptian pound. 3 squash and 2 zucchini is 10. And 5 squash and 3 zucchini is 16.5. 1 squash and 4 zucchini. Okay. So let's multiply this by 3 and this by 2. So I'll get 9 squash plus 6 zucchini is 30. And 10 squash plus 6 zucchini is 33, right? Now, if I subtract, I'll get 1 squash is 3. Okay. And if I put that in this equation, then 1 squash is 3. So 9 plus 2 zucchini is 10. So 2 zucchini is 1. So zucchini is 1 by 2. So 1 squash is 3 plus 4 into 1 by 2. So 3 plus 2, which is 5. The histogram below shows the results of a survey done by a group of students on the source of news their parents trust most. What is the percentage of parents trusting news from social media platforms? Okay, so that's 17 divided by 14 plus 21 plus 17 plus 6 into 100. So that's 20, 35 and 6, 41 plus 7, 48 and 10, 58 into 100, right? Now that would be 1700 by 58. So let's plug that in. 1700 divided by 58. So that's 29.3%, option C. If this survey was conducted on 120 people, so this was conducted on 58, right? 35, 41, 48, 58, yeah. And the results showed the same percentage for each source. How many people would say that radio stations or TV channels are the most trustworthy? Okay, so 20 out of 58 would be X out of 120, right? So let's see. So X is 120 into 20 by 58, which is 2400 by 58. So let's plug that in. 2400 divided by 58. So that's 41.37. So around 41 people. A rectangle is cut into 20 identical squares such that each has an area of 12.25. Which of the following cannot be a possible value for the perimeter of the rectangle? Okay, so total area for the rectangle would be 20 into 12.25. So that's 122.5 into 2, carry 1, 5, 245, right? So what are the possible factors? 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are 45, 7. Okay. So we have 5 into 7 into 7, right? So now let's say the rectangle has a length and a breadth, right? So let's say 5 length and 49 breadth. So perimeter would be 2 times 54, which is 108. Okay, that's not an option. Let's say it is 7 and 35, right? So then perimeter would be 2 times 42, so that's 84. Okay, so this cannot be the answer. Okay, then we can also have 245 and 1. So the perimeter will be 2 into 246. So that's not the option. So I think we'll probably have to work with some decimals. So let's say 2.5 into 49 into 2, right? Which is 98. So the perimeter would be 2 times 100.5. Okay, that's also not an option. Let's work with 17.5 into 14, right? Because you have, yeah. So that comes to 2 times 31.5. Yeah, so 63. Okay. Now we need to get to one of these, 147 and 70. Okay, so how do we do that? Let's do 49, right? So 49 into 1.5 and 5 divided by 1.5. So 49 into 1.5, let's plug that in. That comes to 73.5. And this comes to 3.33. So the perimeter would be 2 times 76.8. What is 76.8 into 2? 1 second. 153.6. So about 154. Okay, I don't think this question is meant for the EST because you're just kind of working with possibilities here. So let's move on. If Tony's salary is 25% greater than Sammy's salary, which of the following statements is true? Sammy's salary is lower than Tony's salary by what? Okay. So Tony is 1.25 Sammy. So Sammy is Tony by 1.25. So let's plug that in. 1 divided by 1.25. So 0.8, right? So 0.8T. So it is less than Tammy's salary by 20%. What is the product of the solutions of this? Okay, so we are going to use Vieta's rule here. So alpha, beta, gamma could be the solutions. So alpha, beta, gamma, the product would be minus D by A, where D is the constant term and A is 1, so minus 10. Right? Yeah. A lobby in a hotel offers 12 choices of fresh juices, 7 choices of smoothies, and 4 choices of milkshakes. A customer can choose to drink one course or 2 different courses or all 3 courses. Assuming all choices are available, how many different drinks does the hotel offer? Okay, so 12 plus 7 plus 4, if you just go for one course, or you can go for 12 into 7 plus 7 into 4 plus 4 into 12 if you go for 2 courses, or 3. So 12 into 7 into 4. Okay. So this is 16 plus 7, 23. This is 84 plus 28 plus 48. 8 and 8, 16 and 4, 20, 0, carry 2, 8 into 10 into 12 and 4, 16. And this is 84 into 4, which is 336. So total is 336, 160 and 23. So that's 91519, option C. What is the y-intercept of the line that passes through these points? So the slope is 6 by 10. So 3 by 5. So y is mx plus c. So y is 3 by 5x plus c. And now to find c, we can put 5 comma 5. So 5 is 3 plus c. So c is 2. If fx is this and gx is this, what is g negative 3? So g negative 3 would be f of negative 6, which is 1 by negative 6 plus 6. 6 minus 1 by 6. So 35 by 6. 3 friends divided the prize as follows. Youngest received 3/5, middle friend received 1/4, and the eldest received the remaining $57. What was the value? Okay, so let the price be X. So youngest got 3 by 5x, middle got 1 by 4x, and the eldest got $57, which would be X minus 3 by 5 plus 1 by 4x. So X minus 12 plus 5x is 57. So X minus 17 by 20, X is 57. So 3x by 20 is 57. So that's 19. So X is 380. A. If A by B is negative, which of the following is definitely negative? Okay, so if A by B is negative, then A could be negative and B could be positive, or A could be positive and B could be negative. So 2AB will definitely be negative, right? So that's the answer. What is the area of the shaded region in the figure below? Okay, so this, let's just join this. So this is 2. So this triangle will be half into base into height, which is 2 into 4 plus 5, 9 into 3.5, which is 27.5 by 2, 13.75, right? And this trapezium will be half sum of parallel sides. So that's 5 and 2, 7 and 2, 9 plus 2, 11. And the height is 2, so that's just 11. So total is 13 plus 24.75. Okay. So let's just make sure we didn't do any mistake. 9 into 3.5. Oh no, this would be 31.5, right? Yeah, 5 nines are 45, carry 4. Yeah, 31.5. So 2 of 1 are 11, 2 5s are 10, 15. Yeah. So 15, 26.75. Yeah. So that's B. Okay. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, let's just draw this. A is 1 comma negative 2. So 1 comma negative 2. B is 1 comma 3. Okay, B is 1 comma 3. C is minus 1 comma 3. Okay, C is minus 1 comma 3. So D would be this right here. It would be minus 1 comma minus 2, right? Because then this is actually a rectangle, right? Not even just a parallelogram. So minus 1 minus 2. What is the inverse function of this? So f of f inverse x should be x. So 2 times f inverse x plus 3 by 3 times f inverse x plus 5 is x. So let f inverse x be delta. So 2 delta plus 3 is x times 3 delta plus 5. So we get 2 minus 3x delta is 5x minus 3. So delta is 5x minus 3 by 2 minus 3x. So that is minus 5x plus 3 by 3x minus 2, option C. The price of a CD player is 180 euros. It is on sale at a price of 135 euros. Okay. Customer wishes to purchase this device. He has a loyalty card that allows him to benefit from a 10% discount at checkout. How much will he pay? Okay. So he'll pay 0.9 into 135, right? Because he'll get a 10% discount on the sale price. So let's just plug that in. 0.9 times 135, 120, 1.5. If the graph of this has x-intercepts at 1 and 3, what is the value of A plus C? Okay, so x-intercepts means the roots. So the roots are 1 and 3. So sum of the roots is 4 and product of the roots is 3. And sum of the roots would be minus B by A. So that's minus 5 by A. So A is minus 5 by 4. And product of the roots is C by A. So that's, that's just C by A. So C by minus 5 by 4 is 3. So C is minus 15 by 4. Okay. So A plus C would be minus 20 by 4, which is minus 5. The price of a dairy product has increased by 7% and then decreased by 8%. Original price was 20. Okay. So 20 increased by 7%, so 1.07, and then decrease, so 0.92. Okay, so let's just plug this in. 20 into 1.07 into 0.92, which is 19.688, option B. In how many ways can first, second, and third place be awarded to 15 people? So first place, any 15, second place, any of the remaining 14, and the third place, any of the remaining 13. So 15 into 14 into 13. So that's 2730. Okay, let's grade these for now. Okay, so answer key for this, DCBCB, DCBCB, number 6, CBACB, C. Okay, this was C. Okay, so A is a possible parameter. A is a possible perimeter. So that is one value we couldn't figure out. Okay, so 6 is C. Then you have BACB. BACB. Okay, 11. 11 is AAABC. AAABC and 16. CBDBD. 16 is C, B, D, B, and D.